You've spent hours upon hours crafting your video and no one's watching it. It's frustrating, it's disheartening, leaving you wondering if any of it is even worth it. It's not your video, it's the thumbnail. Think of thumbnails as mini billboards. If the message isn't bold and easy to read, it might as well be invisible. Most people are watching on their phones. If your text isn't big and bold, they won't read it. They'll just keep scrolling. That's why when it comes to thumbnails, bold and clear text is a must. Let's talk about what to avoid. The first one we have covered, and that is text so small it literally disappears if you are looking at it on a phone. Next, too cluttered. There's too much happening and there's no clear focus. Then there is the bland colors that blend into the background. Absolutely no reason to click. The goal is views. And to do that, we have to get people to click on the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and build a thumbnail together. With the Canva interface open, either click on Add a Design button here or look for the YouTube thumbnail icon in this area. And click or go to the left side toolbar and click on the template icon to open templates. Then, in the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail. This opens thousands of templates for you to choose from or gives you great ideas to build your own. Let's click on the YouTube thumbnail icon here. We need a background. You can upload an image from your computer or find one in Canva's Photos library by clicking on the Apps icon and scrolling down and clicking on Photos. Or you can look for backgrounds by clicking on the Elements tab in the left side toolbar. Next, add one short, punchy, easy to read, bold sentence or question. If you're having trouble coming up with something, go to YouTube and search for videos with the same topic as yours. Look for the videos that are getting the views and study their thumbnail. And don't be afraid to utilize AI to give you 5 different thumbnail text options and then keep on asking until you find the right one. Use contrast colors for your text. Light on dark or dark on light. Choose a bold, clean font like Anton or something similar. Don't use thin or fancy ones. They can be hard to read on a laptop and totally disappear on a smartphone. If you aren't sure, scroll out to make your screen smaller to simulate a phone. If you can't read it, no one will click on it. I do that not just for the font, but the font colors. Font colors can be tricky. If you're happy with your thumbnail, consider saving it as a template so you can reuse it and build consistency across your channel. After downloading your thumbnail to your computer, go again to Share in the top right. And instead of clicking Download, click the 3 dots here on the right. This opens a drop-down menu. Click on Brand Template. This saves it as your brand template. You will be able to find it in the brand folder in the left side toolbar when you need it again. And don't be afraid to change your template. You need to keep designing until you find something that really works. Nothing is set in stone. It might take a while to find that perfect combination that works for you. Your video deserves to be seen. And a thumbnail isn't about being flashy, it's about being clear. Thumbnails are the key to your success. Keep creating. If this helped you, I'd love it if you subscribed. It lets me know I should keep making videos like this. And tell me in the comments, what kind of thumbnail are you working on right now?